Shut up!
Do you like this? Do you like this? Well, no more. Guys, this is important. Let's check it out. Good.
Flashbang.
The fuck you doing here, nigga? Identify yourself. Who the fuck are you?
Are you serious? This is torture. You're torturing me and everyone else watching. Wait.
Just stop. Just stop it. Stop. No. Just stop it.
Current segment on our show called Explain That Graham, where we do a deep dive on our guest Instagram, pull interesting pictures. Has your attitude towards the sports press shifted since becoming an analyst?
Oh, wow! That is relatable!
Chocolate? Chocolate!
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Geez, sorry. It's a pretty standard stunt, Homer.
Hello? Yes?
What are you, fucking gay?
Surprise, motherfucker.
Loser! You're a loser! Are you feeling sorry for yourself? Well, you should be, because you are dirt! You make me sick, you big baby!
I don't think it's funny.
Yeah, feel the impact. Yeah, break it open, leaving nothing intact.